First we need to add the ID column. To do that, just right-click in the first column and click Insert. Then add the ID text in the first column. Just put some ID into the data if you have one. Now let's go to Developer tab and hit the Visual Basic. The first we need to do is add the Update button. You can go to Toolbox or right-click the Save button and click the Copy. Then right-click again in the UserForm and click the Paste. Now change the caption on the Save button that we copy. Change it to Update. Now copy again the label and text box for our ID. And place it where you're comfortable to look at. Now click the list box and change the column count into 3. Now double-click the UserForm. Under UserForm _initialize. Change the code A2B into A2C. Go back to UserForm and change the name of textbox 3 into TXTID. Back to the code, we need to add some code into the listbox _click. Just copy the previous code and paste it above. And change the text box 1 into TXTID. And we need to change the code after the column the previous 0, change it to 1. And the 1 change it to 2. We will also add some code in command button 1 or save button. Copy the previous code and paste it above. Change the number after the E row code. And change the text box 1 into TXTID. Copy again and paste it above. And change the text box 2 into TXTID. The label is out of line to the column, so we will adjust it. After that, we need to add the clear button. Copy the previous button and paste. Change the caption into clear. Double-click the clear button and put this code. After that, We will now put the code in Update button. You can follow me or copy the code in the description. Now back to our spreadsheet and run the user form. Let's change the first name of John into Mike and last name Dave into Tail. It's working properly. Back at Visual Basic User Form, I will change the caption and first name into ID. I missed it a while ago. Let's try it again. Change the first name Mike into John. And last name Dave into Luke. Our update button is working properly. So that's all for this. Thanks for watching. If you learned something, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated every time I upload videos. As always, thanks and be safe.